Hey guys, Kostas is here with Opa Greek Taverna. So excited to bring to you guys our signature latte series, and this is our Baklava latte. It's a fantastic latte. It has some honey and amaretto syrup in it. We're gonna start off by grinding our coffee. Anytime you make espresso, you always gotta start with a fresh ground coffee bean. What I try to do as the owner-operator of Opa Greek Taverna is I add some youth back into Greek cuisine, and we just try to take some fun liberties with different things. I do a really great feta fry with a garlic feta sauce, crumbled feta cheese, some Greek herbs and spices. That's a really fun thing we do.
Audio Jungle.
Thank you so much again for coming out to Opa Greek Taverna. Make sure that you visit us at oparowlett.com. We also have a YouTube page and Facebook page. Definitely go check those out as well. They're fantastic. And as always, we're so glad you joined our Big Fat Greek family, and we hope to see you soon. Opa!